Today in Witima ACK Church, a gang of us 15 police officers, rogue police officers, under the command of 2 bodyguards belonging to that guard Getembe, the women rep from Murang'a, Peter Wainaina Kapuga, telephone number 0723-506-647, and another bodyguard of Getembe, John Minor, aka Birash, telephone number 0712-791-609, and another goon from Murang'a, Abros Manyeki Njeri, telephone number 0710-788-577, converged at the Kamunyaka home of Eric Wamumbi, the member of parliament for Mandera, in the morning for breakfast and briefing. They later moved to Witima with the AK-47 rifles and tear gas canisters and descended on the church. They injured women and children and hurt many people. The police touched one of my vehicles, KDK 002, a Toyota Land Cruiser. They deflated tires of all the people who were in church and caused untold damage to vehicles. They beat people outside the church mercilessly. The goons that came, they were in a Nissan Matatu, KDR 467N from Namu Shato, XN 467X from Namu Shato. These are the people who attacked the church, and they had AK-47, and we have corrected some cartridges, 7.62 millimeter. They are here from AK-47, and they had come to kill, and they were baying for our blood. And people have been left in anguish, wondering why their own government can turn against the Church of Christ and turn against leaders. I've heard Murkomen saying that they are going to investigate. How can Murkomen investigate himself? How do police investigate themselves? These people came with a police vehicle, GK vehicle, GKB 765X, and another one from Murang'a police station that ferried goons and police officers from Murang'a. After the attack, the goons have retreated to Wamumbi's home in Kamunyaka, where they are now, together with the police, where they are having lunch and drinks. So Murkomen cannot tell the people of Kenya that they are going to investigate anything. The police cannot investigate themselves. These police officers are known. These officers attached to Getembe are the ones that attacked us in Kagio. They attacked us in Narok. They attacked Senator Nyoto in Murang'a, and they have attacked us today. The vehicles number are here, Kipchumba Murkomen. These police officers' images are circulating on social media. So what are you telling us? You have asked the IG to investigate. You cannot investigate yourself. This is a government attack, well known to Kipchumba Murkomen. Stop pretending that you are shocked that a church can be attacked. That is pretension. I want to thank the church members of Witima ACK Church for going down on their knees and praying that we are not killed. And God heard their prayers. Although bullets were raining like heavy rain, none of us was injured. Women, of course, and children have fainted because of tear gas. But we want to thank the church. And I want to tell our people to continue praying. God is in control. God is in control. And all these things will come to pass. I want to ask Murkomen, for 40 minutes, police attacked the church. Where were the local police officers from Udaya police station?
200 meters away.
Which is 200 meters away from where we were. How can an attack on a church take place with live bullets and tear gas for 40 minutes? And then the CS Interior is saying he's going to investigate. There's nothing to investigate because this attack was organized by government, by the police, and by the 2 members of parliament, Eric Wamumbi and his wife, and they are now with the police officers celebrating in Kamunyaka, here in Mandera. The area member of parliament. And of course, the area member of parliament for Udaya, Mheshimiwa Wainaina. I wonder why Mheshimiwa Wainaina, you said people to attack the people who elected you.